student. Today we are going to start with the topic center tag. Center tag is used to center align the part of the text to the center of the web page. That means if you want to align anything, whether it is text, image, table, whatever you have designed in HTML, if you want to align those text in center of the web page, then you can use center tag. There are alternative ways to align things and at center too. For example, if you are using paragraph tag, that is p tag, you can use align attribute to center it, or left or right. You can arrange in any order, but if you want to align anything in center, so you can use center tag. Center tag is a container tag. That means it must require on and off center tag. I am going to give an example by which you can understand it well. Here, first of all, I am writing HTML, then close HTML, then after that close head, body open, close body, title, close title. Now, in between the title, I am giving the title the use of HTML tags, and in body section I am going to write something, some characters. The center tag is used to center align the part of text to the center of web page. Anything which is placed between the opening and closing center tag, such as text, images, tables, etc., will be placed in the center of web browser. Now, for the simplicity, I am placing some of the lines in next line like this. One thing that you have to remember always, whatever formatting we do in HTML while writing HTML program is not going to be reflected in the web page. I am saving it. Use of HTML tag dot HTML. Coming back to the program, here is the program that is saved. Now I am double clicking it to open it in Google Chrome. You can also use any browser to run this program. Now it will take some time according to the speed of your computer. My computer is heavily loaded, and that is why it is taking some time. I am again trying to open it. Now you can see this is the program which I have designed, the here in the title bar the use of HTML tag is given, and in the body these set of lines are given. See, here in body tag we have written 4 lines, but when we execute in the browser it will display only 2 lines. That means what? Whatever formatting we do in program code is not going to be reflected when we execute it or when we run the program. Now, if we want to align it in center of the web page, so we can write center open and rest of the lines that we want to put, and then center close. Now center close, we save it and then back to the program code and execute it by pressing Windows Shift F5 to refresh it or execute it. Now you can see the characters are aligned in center of the web page, but you can see it by this particular character. These two words are now coming at center of the web page, but whole paragraph is not appearing like center align. Why? Because the size of line is covering the entire screen, and that is why we are not going to get the actual center alignment till the time we are having a smaller number of characters in one line. So if we want to place some characters to the next line, so at that time we can use BR tag. See, BR tag is a special tag that is used to set characters in next line of the web page. For example, if suppose till full stop we have written some characters or some words, and then we place BR. BR stands for line break. Here also we are using BR and then BR. Whenever you use BR tag, it will place the characters or text that is appearing after it will be moved to the next line. Now save and then coming back to the window and press F5. Now you can see the characters are placed in next line, and here the use of center tag is visualized. You can see the characters, the lines are now arranged center of the web page. Now we are moving to the next topic. The next topic is comment tag, and comment tag is used to place comments in the program and is used by the use of exclamation mark. The comments are useful for the programmers as they can write notes for themselves explaining the source code. It is especially helpful for long programs or when you have multiple codes. You can also use multi-line comments in your code. In HTML, comments are not displayed in the browser. Note that you must leave a space after exclamation mark and before the end tag. Now I am going to execute it in my program. Here before center tag I am writing here exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is can be used if you press shift plus 1 and then double slash, and then after the characters that you want, like I am writing the use of center tag, and then after again double hyphen and then bracket close. Now control S, When we execute it, there is no effect on the window or on the program. See, you cannot see the use or the effect of a comment tag. Comment tag is just given in the program code for the reader's simplicity. That means whenever you are designing a program in HTML and you use comments, so whenever you come and open the program again, you will get to know that okay, this is the intended work of our program. इस प्रोग्राम में इस को इसलिए बनाया गया है and the comments explains what are the usability of the program. Like suppose here we have written the use of center tag. If we use another uh, set of tag, so at that time we can explain the use of that only. So whenever you come and open the program, you will get to know the intended work of the program. Now, coming back to the next topic, the next topic is B tag. B tag is comes under the physical elements of HTML. B, U, and I. These are the three basic tags that are used for B, that means bold, U underline, I italic. I think all of you are familiar with these three settings in MS Word, Excel and PowerPoint, bold, italic and underline. Now we are going to see how we can bold, italicize and underline characters. So first, B tag. The B tag is used to display the text as bold. When you want to emphasize the text, type the text within B and close B tag. For example, here, if suppose we want that center tag, here the character center tag is written, is placed between B tag. So we have written the B center tag and then close B, and then after the rest of the character. If we press Ctrl S and back to the execution window and press F5, now you can see center tag is bold now. Here you can see the center tag, the character center tag is now bold. Now next thing is I tag. I tag, this tag marks up the text in italic style. The tag is used to draw the attention of a reader or on an important information. Type I before typing the text that you want to display in italic and type close I tag after the text. So for example, here center align, characters are given, words are given, center line, before that I am writing I and then I close. Control S, F5. Now you can see the effect center align are now italic. So if you want to italicize anything, you can use I tag. Then after, next thing is U tag. U tag, this tag underline the text enclosed in on and off tag. That is U open and U close respectively. That means U, then text, then close U. Now one more example here. Now we want to underline text, image and tables. So we can write U open and after etc I am writing /U. Control S. F5. Now you can see text, image, table, etc. These characters are now underlined. So this is the use of B tag, this is I tag, and this is U tag. Whenever we place anything between open and close B, it will be in boldface. If we place anything within opening and closing I tag, it will be italicized, and if we place anything between U open and U close, it will be underlined. Now, we can also use all the three tags all together. For example, if suppose we have written the B and then U and then I. B, U and I. Then center tag and then close B. Now one thing that you have to keep in mind, whenever you are using multiple tags, then the rule of tag nesting must be used. That means if we are opening the B tag first, then U tag, then I tag, so it will be closed in reverse order. That means first of all the tag I is closed, then U is closed, and at the end we can close B. तो यहाँ पे जो ऑर्डर है वो पहले है B, U एंड I, तो इसके रिवर्स ऑर्डर में जैसे I फिर U फिर B, इस तरीके से ये क्लोज होगा. कंट्रोल S, back to the execution window and press F5. Now you can see center tag is bold, at the same time it is italic, and you can see there is an underline that signifies the use of U tag. So this is the use of B, I and U physical markup element.